She likes what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and of course we are back at it again for another mani routine. In this video, we are going to revamp my old crusted, dusted, cracked pink polish currently on my nails, as well as this worn out gold polish on my nails' undersides. Those hyponychiums are super extended and it's way over time, but no worries, we're just gonna get that acetone and get rid of that cracked chip layer, no problem, and repeat on the other hand. On another note, I'm really happy that my nails are all the same length, but on the flip side, this is the downside to painting the undersides, especially with glitter. Yeah, it's just a big struggle even as I'm flaking them away. Yeah, they're gonna need a whole routine. So for this transformation, we're going to use a glass file, a glass cuticle pusher, as well as an oxygen treatment, and some acetone. Now, flipping over to this angle to capture both sides of my fingers, we're going to get rid of that old gold first. I like using acetone in a glass bowl, or even more conveniently, its bottle cap. Working a little cotton swab right over, focusing it directly onto the polish at full strength, and then finishing the tedious job off camera. Now that that's cleared out and on the way, I'm going to use a glass file to gently reshape my nails back to a more narrow shape. This here is more like an extended round shape, but we want to go for more of an extended almond shape. On the right side of your screen, you can see that my nails are a more refined almond shape, which was freshly filed. And on the left side of your screen, the girls are a little bit more rounded than the original shape, but the key to working with a glass file is to work in one direction, one swipe at a time, not because you'll fray the edges of your nails, but because you'll saw off more nail than you initially intended. Take it from me, it happened twice already during this natural nail growth journey, so you definitely want to take your time and to be careful and intentional while using an authentic glass file. But just like that, both sides have been filed fresh and the undersides are clean. Also, I started to notice that I had a little ridge growing over here with my thumb. Kinda cool, something to note for later. In the meantime, again, these are all of my nails and I'm really happy that they are all the same length. Nail care is kind of like babysitting, where they all need their own individual attention and care, but it pays off when your efforts lead to them all equally behaving beautifully. But I ain't gonna lie, this nail care gets kind of tricky because any slight deviation sticks out like a sore thumb. And noticeably, it's ring finger. One side is a little rounder than the other, making it so the soft point of the nail is leaning towards my thumb instead of straight like the other nails. With nail filing, we are literally contouring the shape of the nail, so anything we do, whether intentional or not, will be noticeable. To fix this, I'm pretty much going to file away the top half of the side of the nail, which pushes the point of the nail more centered, creating a defined point. Then smoothing and filing from there. And now so far we have both hands looking like twins, and that's such a big deal, but of course there's always a hidden twist. Cause I noticed a new problem arise, severe hand crust. I don't know when this started showing up or how long it's even been here, but it's definitely giving cringeworthy crust vibes. Girl, I don't know. I actually had a few other cuts, random nail goop, and a not quite nail break to appear because workload. But no worries, hand nicks are far less devastating than full-on nail breaks. So to take care, I'll just grab a heaping amount of the sugary hand scrub I've concocted that is, not gonna lie, a little on the coarser side. Now the goal here is to hopefully knock that crust back to wherever it came from. Okay, but either way, the girls are looking super clean, smooth, and ready to go. Onwards to the next step in the nail care process. Now that we're back, dry, and under the lights, I think the scrub did a pretty good job while not leaving my nails overly dry. But you may have noticed I missed a step. I was so caught up in the crust that I forgot to work up my cuticles manually before scrub-a-dub-dubbing in the hand pool. So here we are, back at it again with the glass cuticle pusher, which isn't actually a bad thing, since the cuticle has been softened with the water and scrub. Honestly, I think that the glass cuticle pusher might be the most underrated, but most necessary tool for cuticle care and maintenance. Even with a super abrasive scrub to tend to the hands, the cuticles still need focused care. I'll leave the link for this tool and my other tried and true nail care recommendations in the description box down low for you all. In the meantime, let's enjoy some satisfying cuticle clearing. And now the girls are all shaken up with the awakened cuticle crust, and it's like, thank goodness for plain old water to clear off the dust. Since we did a lot of filing earlier, I want to go in with some Bye Brittle Nails, but in the latest supersized bottle. And then there's my personal bottle with a brush that has a little bit of swish to it. You guys know I love testing stuff. I wanted to see if the bend in this particular brush would be better to work with for the undersides in particular on camera at this angle. And it looks like a go, so I'll just massage this nail treat all over my nail plate, free edges and undersides until fully absorbed. You all know how I feel. Oil moisture is so key after filing your nails because you want those molecules of nutrients in your freshly shaped nail plate so that they waste no time to help reinforce the nail naturally. It truly makes a world of a difference in your natural nail care routine. You can grab one at handsbyheritage.co. Now that my plates have been satiated, I'm gonna pick up this ergonomic hand cream because isn't this so cool? And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of cream to moisturize my hands. Next, I'll be using a treatment polish to seal up the undersides of my nails. I used an earlier version of this polish along my 2019 nail care journey, so I figured I'd try out this company's latest formulation. I'm one of those people who kind of struggle at determining their left from the right. But now I get even more confused looking at the girls because it's really hard to tell them apart at this angle. It's pretty trippy. Ah well, I'll be utilizing 2 layers of this nourishing undercoat to give my nail plate a brighter, sheer look to help bring this mani all the way together. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this nail care routine, decrusted type tutorial and found it helpful and entertaining for your nail care needs. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and engaging. Take care and happy nail growing. I will see you very soon in the next one.